how to turn on save stories to archive on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save stories to archive on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines and then click this one, settings and privacy, settings, and then click stories, and now click this one, story archive, and if you want to turn it on, just one click. And as you see now, save to archive has been turned on, and that's how to turn on save stories to archive on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.